Hey everybody, I'm back with yet another room transformation video. This one's actually a bathroom transformation video, and I decided that I wanted the bathroom transformation video to be separate from the room transformation video. This bathroom is so embarrassing. I have so much stuff everywhere. Like, what's going on? So the bathroom transformation video should not take anywhere near how long the room transformation video is taking. Since the bathroom transformation video is going to be up after the room transformation video, I'm going to go ahead and show you what my room looks like during my room transformation video. I don't think I'm going to show this on the room transformation video, but this is what it looks like. Who knew a room transformation would be so messy? Like, this is not it at all, ever. But I might as well get started. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a big gigantic box, throw everything in it, and hope for the best. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and get started before I have to get ready for work in like 30 minutes or so. So what time is it? It is almost 11 o'clock and I have school in the morning. But I did manage to put this together. I had to do the rest off camera because this thing was just so irritating to put together, but it closes and opens. And I'm not entirely sure why there's a random black shelf here, which is not cute, but I mean, I guess. Now, since that's here, I get to take care of all this mess and all of that. So, yeah. I'm back again. So I am supposed to be going to work in a couple minutes. I'm gonna start getting ready in about 10 minutes. Hopefully it doesn't take me any longer than that to put up these items that just came in the mail for the bathroom. I'm gonna record that real quick, get ready for work, and then go to work. So. So I just put down these rugs, toilet seat cover, and the marble shower curtain. And I just wanted to show you guys really quick the over the toilet shelf that I put up. I was recording and then I started to get frustrated because some of the end steps were really not making sense to me. So I had to go ahead and figure everything out, and then I just put it together without filming it. But here's all the products, and then the door opens, there's stuff in there as well, and it just holds a lot of stuff. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave all of that there or how I'm gonna organize it. It might just stay there, to be honest, but yeah, that's how it's going. And I was thinking about getting curtains for the window here, but you know what? I don't feel like buying any curtains, so we ain't getting curtains. So my little portable little shelf thing came in the mail, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna have to assemble that, and I have to go somewhere in like 30 minutes, but I'll do as much as I can. So stay tuned. Ooh, I need to quit. Tripping. Oh shit. Ow, fuck.
Stop bumping your face. You just been beating yourself up all day.
Okay, so this thing is backwards.
Quit it. Stop fighting yourself.
Okay, I have to flip this up. hair, actually. Thanks for watching. Ew, I need to go do something about my outfit. Okay, bye.